Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a minimal environment. Create and activate a virtualenv and install requests in Pandas so you can fetch and process data. Once done, secure your API key or locate the CSV/JSON file path. Keep secrets out of code. Now run your first request with requests. Get or open the file directly to verify access. If you get a 200 status or readable file, move to parsing. Make sure to log responses for quick debugging. Now you parse and robustly retrieve larger datasets. Create a requests session to reuse connections, add headers for auth, and call in points that return JSON. Once you have JSON, use Pandas. JSON normalize to flatten nested structures or Pandas. Read CSV with chunk size to stream big files. When endpoints paginate, loop with page tokens and implement exponential backoff for 429 or 500 responses. Make sure to parse dates and types during import, so downstream analysis stays consistent and efficient. Finish by transforming and storing the data. Normalize column names, convert types, and impute or drop missing values based on context so your dataset is reliable. Then write output to CSV or Parquet for files, or use SQL Alchemy to bulk insert into a database. Once stored, run validation checks and sample queries to confirm success. If something fails, first check API limits, credentials, and response shape. Often a changed field name or auth error is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.